It's easy to be nasty. Yo. My nose is stuck up, my thoughts fucked up. I give two fucks, my money spent up, my job gives up, my lawyer still sucks. I have ill luck, I'll probably fill up my sister with drugs, liquor, weed, and a fill-ups. Screwdriver to twist my organs and play the organ. At your grandmother's funeral, drinking Morgans in a nice blazer and some juice to tap dance in a black suit tailored by Edward Scissorhands with my dick missing, cut up in 4 places. 2 for my baby mamas, 1 for my girlfriend who's impatient, the other for this lady who I have begun to date. Actually, we just fuck at night in lunch breaks, but I can't complain or even try to ask why. I just simply told my dick to conquer and divide. I got a shitty record and an attitude to follow, so I'll drown on my sorrows when I empty out these bottles. Down my esophagus, drive to Minneapolis so I can sell a few pounds just to pay my fucking rent. I should give myself credit and not slip into depression. I got a son now, I can teach him all these lessons. I heard and refused, decided to get confused and look down a gun barrel asking what I should do. Plus I got a little daughter and I'm managing some models, but I'm not sure if I'm the right example they should follow. But I try to stay positive and not make it obvious. I choke myself to sleep until I'm barely getting oxygen. I've done some good things like not spread my herpes or contract any other STDs purposely. I graduated Wild Tech and I'm still in college. 10 years for a 4-year degree isn't nonsense. I'm gaining knowledge so my mind's not bored. Plus I'm the CEO of the 9 Quota Awards and I live in a nice house with a dirty leather couch. I got a 3 Series Beamer and a foul potty mouth. I got a drop top Celica and I'm not a felon, but I probably should be for all the ganja that I'm selling. And I no longer pimp, those are actions of my past. Now I gaze through the window at a fine piece of ass that walks to my front door as I clean blood off the floor from the prostitute I killed. See, I don't pimp anymore. Then again, I probably would, but I suck at it so bad. $150 a night, I might as well shake my ass for some thirsty fat bitches who would pay all their riches for me to lick boobs, sweat, and pose naked doing dishes. I'm the tall black sheep, how could I ever be a teacher? I'm a nasty battle rapper and my brother is a preacher. My sisters are well off and I act like I'm a leader. I should probably sit down and watch this game from the bleachers, but I make it sound tough when half my verses all fiction. And I'm swimming in my brain in a sea of guilty vision, but not guilty like Nixon or even Scott Peterson. Guilty like Johannes Meserly and George Zimmerman. And while we're talking guilty, I'ma state a few facts. George Bush and Cheney were behind 9/11 attacks, and that plane that was headed for the White House town wasn't really taking over. Bush had it shot down. But enough about that and my conspiracy theory. I'ma make the next statement so you can hear me clearly. When you see me on stage and you think I'm looking flashy, look into my eyes, see if it's easy to be nasty.